Eyes are one of the most important parts of character design. Today I'll show you how to draw them perfectly. Step 1. Understanding eye shapes. Eyes can have different shapes in character design because you have almost no limits, but we are going to start here with almond shape. So in this step you're gonna draw an inverted triangle in here. Okay, I don't really know how to explain this, but just copy what I'm doing right now. And here we are turning the shape into an eye like this. I like to draw the inner corner of the eyes, but you can remove them. Oh, they all turn into eyes. Step 2. Placement and proportions. To determine the place of the eyes, you just need to divide it into two parts like this. It works with every angle like this. And now just divide these areas into 3 sections. And then draw the eye shape of the character. It turned into an eye, and just let me... Okay. It looks good. Okay, what the heck am I doing? Upper and lower lids. Okay, here is our eyes. What the heck am I doing here? Okay, I remember. I'm drawing an eye for this video again. I love this part. So, okay, please. Okay, for eyelids, you're gonna draw 2 lines like this and then connect it to the end of the eye, like what I'm doing in this video. It looks like this. Just copy what I'm doing, okay? Adding the iris and pupil. First draw the eyeball. Okay, here is the eye. And then draw the guidelines like this. Here is where the pupil is gonna be. And this is where the iris is gonna be. Okay, you're done. Okay, here we are adding highlights. Just add the shadow in this area of eyes first. And use a desaturated color for this area, and then a white color on that. I'm just playing with the colors here, and you can either copy what I'm doing or just use your creativity. Okay, I know it looks like an alien right now, but trust me, you can use colors anywhere, like the corner of the puppy or something like this, but make sure that you're making the inner part of the eyes darker, and then it looks glossy. Okay, I like to add eye bags to my OCs, but if you don't like it, okay, it's okay. Before and after. Eyelashes and details. It's one of my old drawings, but I'm gonna edit the eyelashes here to teach you how to do it. So the eyelashes basically look like a spider legs. The upper eyelashes are gonna face downwards. So I'm doing this in my old drawing to show you how. Okay, it's already done. Coloring and shading. My coloring method of doing the eyes is just like what I'm showing you right now. So you can copy this and just do exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna make another video to show you how to exactly shade the eyes with colors. But it is just me showing you Where should you put the shadows and highlights on the eyes? And that's how you draw the perfect anime eyes. Yummy.